Beautiful large one bedroom and 4 cell. This entrance. The living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling. It's got lots of sunlight during the day. There's a closet. On the left is a kitchen, beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets. There's a window, a lot of corner space. This room is clean. There's a window. It's a linen closet. It's the bedroom, a large bedroom. Got 2 windows, lots of sunlight. It's got 2 closets. There's one here, another one here. Beautiful apartment. Laundry in the building, elevator building. Near grocery shops, banks, restaurants. A few blocks from the famous Austin Street. Also a few blocks from the express train, the E train and F train. Also near the M and R train. And near the LIR train. An apartment's a very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so you can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.